So it is that time of the year, Vegan Campout 2022. I haven't been since 2019 just due to the whole pandemic and everything like that. I just thought sort of lay low on the Vegan Campout, but this year I'm coming back in town. So this is gonna be fun, this is gonna be good stuff. So just it's quite early at the moment, it's like 5 o'clock. So got a flight at 6:50, so yeah, let's hit it. So just went through security, completely forgot my, I had my belt on, and I was like, oh no, what's going on? But we're all Gucci, we're making moves, and today you'll be seeing Julie. Now Julie has been helping me get to the Vegan Campout for a long time. Am I lost? I think I'm lost. This is the way. So no, I was not lost. This is the way you have to get to your destination. And I was like, that's very clever, because consumerism, you know, you'd be like, maybe I should buy something like a keychain, maybe for my madre. So yeah, it should be good fun. Really excited. So yeah, see you there.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Let's hit it.
So I have arrived here in Birmingham. I'm a little bit tired. I've got my Space Raider glasses on. But yeah, so I got a message from Julie saying that she will pick me up in like 3 hours. So I'm just going to chill, find some fruit, some juice, and do some reading, and then, you know, we'll see Julie soon. But it's a really nice day today. If you can see outside. Really sunny, so I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, these do glow, if I can get them on. Let's go for the travel staple. Bit of OJ. While we're here, we're gonna look at the fat content of crisps. So this one, oh, what's that? 9.6 grams of fat. Okay, by almost 10 kilos of potatoes to equate the same fat content. So this is why people get stuck. This is the problem. You know, people, how many of these can you blast through? Like, how many of that can you blast through versus 10 kilos of potatoes? So here you go. Here's what I'm gonna eat. So classic. Just rinse these off in the toilets. So that's gonna be it. First meal of the day. Carb nut. I'm here, you gotta keep the floss in if you're eating dates. Okay, so the sun we have at the moment is really good. Just wanted to check in, just to show you guys how sunny it is. I've had to come outside and strip down almost naked. Well, not really, but I'm guessing at the Vegan Campout there's gonna be a lot of people jumping in the river, just sunbathing, chilling. So yeah, just checking in. Okay, Julie has arrived. Long time. Sweet. Now we're off.
Saw the fish, yet they ain't breathing. Now you tell me that you vegan. Plant-based, what I'm dripped in. Fruit and veg is my whip. Vegetable patch, kicking and these smoothies, yeah, we sip. Meat and dairy, kill the fish and the sharks. Knock that shit out of the park. No, I don't fuck with that mercury, cause I'm trying to save all of your arteries. Saying I don't need Nemo. I don't need Nemo, yeah.
Allergic to most animals.
So
Which I don't tell because
we've
I
arrived.
love animals.
We have arrived. We have arrived. So here we are in paradise. So the queue looks massive. It's massive every year. So I think there's around 10,000 vegans this year. So this is gonna be good fun. And yeah, got Kia. Yeah. Say hello.
Called Grassy.
It's called Grassy. He loves the grass.
Give him a kiss.
Stay off the grass. Stay off the grass.
He's not even afraid. Look how he's looking at us. Hello, baby.
He's in the right spot. He's in the right spot.
So cute.
So how's it going, gang? Turtle gang.
Clinton
How
at
we doing?
Vegan Campout 2022.
Ready to rock. Ready to rock. Catch me on stage. No, I'm not gonna be on stage.
We're just
One
waiting
day.
for a camp space, and here's the line.
I'll be at the over 40s barbecue tonight. Chilling. I'm actually
Don't laugh
40
at
years
the
old.
over 40s.
I'm actually 40 years old. It's just raw foods. You know? live food, enzymes, biophotons. It does it to you. You know what I mean? You can have it too.
Sign up to my website.
So sign up to my program.
The animal side is a zoologist.
Oh, okay.
Julie. So we are in this line. Can you see that? Yeah.
Children, yeah.
We will make it. Bit by bit. So we're almost in. We're almost in Hogwarts. How does everyone feel? Everyone good? Yeah. Skirt, skirt. Woo. Another friend.
I'll message you.
So I'm in the mind body section, and there's a speed dating thing going on. I heard about it from a friend, and I've never done anything like that, so I was like, fuck it, why not? You know what I mean? So let's give it a try, see what happens. Well, that was very interesting. First time ever doing speed dating, and yeah, it was good fun, very overwhelming, because generally speaking, you go from having like zero or not that many vegan options. I'm saying it like it's a food restaurant, to just having, you know, like a bunch of people like that you're talking to, and what you do is like 5 minutes at a time. So that was very interesting. It was an interesting experience. If you've never done it before, I would say give it a try. It may not be for you, but I thought it was fun. I thought it was super fun. You can always trust sushi spots. Whenever you're trying to keep it clean, trying to keep it oil free, you can always trust sushi spots. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God. So she said see you later, and they did in fact see me later. I think I ended up getting a total of 11 sushi rolls throughout the whole event, because it was all I could find that was oil free, gluten free. But yeah.
So sexy.
Why are you guys even vegan? Oh my God. Don't you know animals don't feel pain?